In the Nazca Desert in southern Peru, the ancient Nazca people created animals, figures, and abstract forms on the flat desert floor and hillsides. These massive forms are known as the Nazca Lines and are examples of geoglyphs. What's a geoglyph? A geoglyph is a design made on the ground using natural landscape elements like stone or different colored sand or earth. The word geoglyph comes from the Greek words geo, or the earth, and glyph, or carving. Geoglyphs aren't unique to Peru. They are found worldwide, such as this prehistoric one of a horse made in England. Still, the Nazca Lines in Peru are the most famous geoglyphs in the world today, in part because there are so many of them. Hundreds of Nazca geoglyphs have been found so far, and with new technologies, we continue to find even more. These geoglyphs date to between 500 BCE and 500 CE, and some were likely made by an earlier culture to which the Nazca are related. The lines are monumental in scale, with a combined length of more than 800 miles. The Nazca Lines show an impressive range of forms, including many animals, from a hummingbird and a monkey to a whale and a dog. There's also a human-like figure, sometimes called the giant, a pair of hands, a flower, a tree. The wide variety of forms found here in the Nazca Desert suggests that the flora and fauna of the natural world played an important role in Nazca culture. Because of their size, it's challenging to make out these forms when you walk along them. Today, they're best appreciated from above, such as in a tiny plane. They were not intended to be seen in full thousands of years ago, though. Geoglyphs like these are some of the most spectacular art forms created by humans since the prehistoric era. They are impressive for the time and effort involved in creating them, and the size and scale on which they were made.